we have come together and practiced for a long time, and we made sure that we are doing this well. So, no, Ananda, you're not leaving. No, hold on, sit, please. I'm just kidding. No. Of course, thank you for your time. You're here. All of us have come here. Now, we'll do one exercise. We will make you sing now. Seriously, we have this plan. Yes, please sit down. So we will have a thing where we will ask the audience to sing this song with us. The song is very popular. It's Purano Shi Duner Kotha. And our singers, the beautiful singers, will be doing, will help you. They will sing, but you have to sing. And if you're not singing, they will stop. They already told me. They will stop and you have to they'll make you sing. So I will hand over the mic to Aruna. And let's do this together. So we need everybody of you to sing. Beautiful. Thank you, everybody. Now we'll move on to our last song of the day. Last song. Kritika and Anando, I know you're trying to leave. I will request you to hear the last song. This is a Nozul Giti, and I will hand over the mic to Ananda back. Please be with us.
অনন্যা,
সংবিতা,
সোমা, দেবলীনা,
Adi Adyan. Let's hear it for the youngest member of the band, Adi.
And just wanted to give a quick round of applause for all our volunteers. They have been working very hard for us too. So thank you for volunteers.
And last but not the least, Lokesh Bhai. Lokesh Bhai has been a kind of, I would say, spinal cord to BFS. If anything we do, he's like, Lokesh Bhai, this needs to be fixed. And for the next performance, we will take a little break. But please don't leave. It is a drama where we will try to show that the good